In Python, for and while loop plays a very vital role and acts as a building block of any program. So watch the full video and get started with it. Now both for and while loop work similar but have different types of implementation. Got confused, right? Let me explain this in simple terms. First, let's understand for loop. So for loop is used to iterate a code or block of code a number of times, which means the code or block of codes are counted or executed sequentially based upon the range or the data type given. That means the for loop has a special ability to traverse a list, string or a tuple directly, while in while loop we need to do it manually. Now syntax of for loop is for I in range, where I is the value of incrementation which results in looping, and then the range function for iteration, and for traversing you need to write the variable directly. And then in next line after indentation you need to write your code or that block of code which you need to implement. This I will show you more clearly with examples after few slides. Now let's understand while loop. So a while loop executes a code or block of codes a number of times based upon a given condition. That means the execution is done till the given condition becomes false. And the syntax of while loop looks like this. It is basically the extended version of for loop. First make a variable with starting limit like 0 or 1. Then after that we have to write the condition while, then that condition up to which the loop you want to run. Then in next line with the indentation you have to write those code or block of codes, and then in next line with same indentation you have to increment the value of variable you have made, like I equals to I plus 1 or I equals to I minus 1 based upon your condition. So let's check it out and understand clearly about both for and while loop with examples. Let's print hello world 9 times using for loop. For that write for I in range 1 to 10, or you can like 0 to 9, and then gives indentation and write print, that in parentheses and in quotes hello world. That's it. Enter. You will see hello world have been printed 9 times. Okay, now let's print hello world 10 times using while loop. First make a variable let I equals to 0, then make the condition that is while I should be less than 10. If you will write I should be less than equals to 10, then it will execute 11 times. Remember that. Then in next line after indentation print, then in parentheses and in quotes hello world. Then in next line you have to increment its value, I value, that is I plus equals to 1. I plus equals to 1 means I equals to I plus 1. Now enter. The hello world have been printed 10 times. So that's it. You have learned about for and while loops basics, and now you are ready to use it. For getting more information you can use help function like this, help then brackets, then write what you want to learn like for loop, and you will get all knowledge about for loop explanation given on your screen. Furthermore, we have some more methods or functions like continue, break and else in for and while loop, which I will explain you with a video soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button, and also if you have any queries then ask me in comments. I will surely help you. Thank you once again.